tokitela yo tokoboma yo Kabila bima na mboka na biso oza na besoin ya bima na mboka na biso ya chichi nde toponi yende akodirige mboka na biso aza congolais yoza rwandais la place n'est pas au Congo retourne na Rwanda après ina kwa kukumbana kwa kushika batuka mtu waje sort de notre pays get out of our country get out of our
humaine, le droit à l'expression
peuple congolais. Ils sont tous en Libanda. Tous en mon passe. Ils sont des battus tous en l'État à Congo. Ils sont battus tous en Western Union. Chaque semaine, chaque jour dans ma famille, nous avons Koufi, Tokundi et Bembe, nous avons malade, nous avons hôpital, nous avons classe, nous avons classe, et ça a biso. Donc, aussi, tu l'embis. Et Mboï Moulunda, yo en qualité de pasteur, homme de Dieu, enfant de Dieu, né de nouveau, rempli du Saint-Esprit, esprit de Dieu, on a l'esprit la vérité. Il faut qu'on ait la vérité. Donc, on a la vérité, n'a pas élection, tricherie, et mon ami Poléré, parce qu'on a tricherie, vous avez irrégularité, et ça irrégularité, et ça fraude, et ça tricherie. Donc on est au sali, tu n'y as pas de la boutou moi, il va se faire passer dans mes thèmes. Ils sont dans sali maman, ils sont tous au tabino, ils sont passés, nous sommes lunda, on ne sera jamais tranquille dans la vie nayo, message à la nation, vie nayo, on finit le la Judas Iscariote, on commence à se prendre dans le combat de Jésus. Ceux qui nous ont mis à Télémi, nous pouvons dire ça là. Élection oyo, et ça y a 2006, beaucoup aussi, oh ça dit tant en Zambé, bolinga te, Zambé a compris que c'est long en Boka Biso, pour ça on a belé moussouté, donc on est comme un noir américain, tout en Afrique, tout en Congo, il faut que la Biso moussouté à Kozwango, c'est la vérité, et Yangoana, on a continué à tomber comme moi dans Zambé, comme dans Zambé, merci.
And I want him to go, and I want Bapati Sekedi to be in power, and we already got justice, so peace out.
Tell us exactly why you are here. You know, you came to demonstrate. Is it because of your country, Congo, or is because war is going on in Congo? That's why you're here?
Yeah, I'm here because I'm here to represent Congo.
Yeah.
And like, I think Kabila should stop raping people. Like, I think they had enough. And
teenager, if I can say here as well, can you tell us exactly the reason why you are here to demonstrate here? And I've seen you wrapped up with the Congolese flag. Are you proud to be Congo, yeah?
100% proud to be Congolese. We've been here all afternoon, all morning, just to show the Parliament, just to show the United Kingdom that we've had enough. We've had enough of them taking advantage of our country, stealing all our resources just to benefit their country. So we're here, women of Congo, to fight for our country and to show that enough is enough. We don't want Kabila anymore. He's done nothing for our country. He's been reigning there and he's done nothing. No profit has come out of it. So we're here to stand here in the presence of God. We believe, we are women of Christians, we believe that God will come and he will fight for us. We have fought here with our voices and all our effort, but now it's just left spiritually. We've left it to God. So I thank everybody who's come here. It's not just me. I thank everybody who's come here, and I ask God to bless them all, and God will look after my country. I believe that. Thank you.
Na Congo pona kombeka kosunga bango kosombela bango ba medicament me batu bayeba ke suki awate po biso toko sangisa ka mbongo po Congo wana soki ya chichi aleki te ba gouvernement pete betoko supporter bango na mwana zana likambo kolo yeba che deliver na ye.
Oh, I heard that you put some money there.
We need to contribute in this to make the Congo make better and to help the people in Congo that are suffering.
Do you know about all this atrocity that is going around in Congo, the rape, the killing? What do you have to say to the government of the rest of the world?
I think that if they can get up and help other countries to get around and to make their countries better, they can help our country. We're just the same.
Bakolala awa mais pour le parce que il faut que nous matisse yango balobi boye balobi lundi si mata komona na lisusu awa si mana bana si mana batata vraiment ça laisse le mingi komona bilenge mama bana bazali awa short one lelo bazoko bindisa yango baboyi biso tokelekisa mais tokolemba te bino nyonso bozala makasi mikola tribunal biso nyonso liboso tribunal pour la short one oyo elobi vérité oyo elobi makambo na biso alors longonia na mboka kuna bolombe te botelema bamama longonia Jean-Vieux Micro, merci.